It was all going so well for Emmanuel Frimpong. He was a promising Arsenal starlet, destined to become the next in a long line of successful Gunner graduates. Now, he's a free agent, after being released by relegated Barnsley. As Chelsea exited the Champions League in April 2014, he rather tactlessly pointed out Jose Mourinho's lack of success that season. Frimpong's own fall from grace was soon trending on Twitter. Cristiano Ronaldo is regarded as one of the world's best players, but he wasn't at his best when he sent this unfortunately worded tweet out to his millions of Twitter followers. The Ballon d'Or winner was trying to express his delight at receiving entries to a competition, but the tweet came across as something more sinister. Ronaldo was quick to clarify what he meant and deleted the offending message. Manchester City could be forgiven for posting a tweet complimenting Martin Demichelis' dominant display against Barcelona. Sadly, in a case of the worst possible timing, the Argentinian defender received a red card moments later, leaving the City Twitter account red-faced, as the original tweet mysteriously vanished. Ashley Cole was not a happy chappy when his evidence at John Terry's racism trial was discounted. This sarcastic message resulted in a £90,000 fine and threw the case into turmoil. Cole pulled the plug on the tweet and apologised unreservedly, but not before it was retweeted nearly 20,000 times. When Roy Keane blasted Michael Carrick's performance after Man United's shock Champions League defeat to Olympiacos, Carrick's wife Lisa was quick to come to his rescue. Straight-talking Lisa told her followers exactly what she thought of the ex-United midfielder. Once she had calmed down, she posted an explanation for her words, but notably not an apology.
It looks like a bit of a mummy's boy.
It's quite vanilla, like a really boring character.
Horribly vain.
He likes drinking. He likes money.
Arrogant.
Rihanna.